And this is why you should never, ever, ever rely on your free PMS website. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Boostly podcast. My name is Max Simpson. I give hosts all over the world the tools, the tactics, the training, and the confidence to increase their bookings. And I've literally just got off the call with somebody, and I wanted to record this podcast because I want to make it and document it and put it on YouTube, all the socials. And this is why you should never, ever, ever rely on your free PMS website. Okay. And there's going to be people watching this who are at different stages of their hosting journey, and I totally get that. But we were recently, very recently, depending on when you listen to this, speaking to a host, and they were with a PMS. I'm not going to name who the host is. I'm not going to name the PMS because I'm not a dick. But they said that they were with a PMS. They had a fantastic website. They loved their website. But then they changed their PMS. And when they changed their property management software and they went to another provider for whatever reason, they lost their website. So they had to start all over again. Now, the reason why the PMS providers out there, they give you a free website is that they use this as part of their sales, which is totally cool. One person did it, now they all do it. And obviously, if you've listened to any of my podcasts, watched any of my videos, heard me in any of the clubhouse rooms, you will know my thoughts and feelings of a PMS website. The free sites, they don't really do anything. Even if you absolutely love it, you still have that little niggling feeling behind the scenes that if you move, you lose your site. Now, this is the beauty of having a WordPress website. This is the beauty of having a Boostly website, is that you can bounce from PMS to PMS to PMS every single month. Stop my hood out here. And you will never, ever lose your website because we are able to connect the dots behind the scenes. This is the power of a Boostly site. So if you are in this situation, if you are wanting to, again, not build your house on someone else's land, then you need to be speaking to us massively. Go to boostly.co.uk/website. Have a look at what we do. Have a look at who we work with. Have a look at who we've helped. Have a look at our portfolio and all that cool stuff. And then you can fill in the form and you can book a call in from there. And I say this again, you may have a website right now. You may have a free website for a PMS because you were at a different stage of your journey and it was free at the time, it was easy. But now you're looking to grow, you're looking to scale, and you're looking to take on more properties, and you wanted to make sure that you build your business on your land, on your rules. And the major part of that is the website. I talk about it all the time, and I talk about it in the book. I can show you all the tactics in the world. I can show you how to drive traffic to your website, but at the end of the day, if your website isn't built on your land, then you could risk losing it. The most simplistic one, the one that I can show, the one that will resonate with so many on this podcast, on this video, is that if you have a free PMS website and if you want to move provider to somebody else, you risk losing that site. So you know where to go. BOOSTLY/websites. Come and check us out. Please book in a call. We've helped over 1,000 hosts. We've got 2,600 clients in total right now. We're the most recommended website agency in this industry. Don't try and do it alone. Don't get your friends, nephews, best friends to do it. Make sure you speak to people that are specialists in this industry, and we are the number one go-to guys and gals in this industry. So please do ahead, go book a call. We'll speak to you soon. Thank you so much for tuning in. Super quick podcast on your daily listening to the Boostly podcast, because I wanted to get this out and I wanted to record this video and I wanted to get this message out to the world. Speak to you all soon. Always stay proactive. Do not be reactive. Let's go and get some direct bookings.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.